don't want it, honey. Pick it up and throw it away. Are you filming Trenchington? Did you just eat it off the floor?
Yeah. Come.
Here. Bite it.
I'll do that.
No. Alright, throw it in the trash. I'm not giving you any more though. Go ahead, you don't put that in your mouth. That's good. Ew.
When you're gonna choke on it, pull it out.
Gwen, it's nasty. Ew. Oh, wow. No. Gwenny, give the baby a kiss. Ew, babe, you never changed her diaper. She's jumping around and poop. Gwenny, you went poop?
Ew, what?
Some fell out?
Ew, Clayton!
Held down, subjected, now the pain is not enough. There's no receiving feelings now. This pressure in my eyes, release within my mind. Make it burn in me, no screams from me. Come and take it out.